very... Oh, I'm so sorry. My family... Oh my God. I'm... I'm so sorry. I told you that I'm so confident. Eto, wait. Sorry guys.
Number 15, Janina San Miguel. Janina, how are you?
I'm fine.
All right, so you won 2 of the major awards, Best in Long Gown, Best in Swimsuit. Do you feel any pressure right now?
No, I don't feel any pressure right now.
Confident. All right. Please choose a name of a judge. We have Miss Vivian Tan.
Good evening.
Good evening.
The question is, what role did your family play with you as candidate to Binibining Pilipinas?
Well, my family's role for me is so important because they was the one who's very Oh, I'm so sorry. My family Oh my God. Okay. I'm so sorry. I told you that I'm so confident. Eto, wait. Sorry guys, because this was really my first pageant ever. Because I'm only 17 years old. And I did not expect that I came from one of the top 10. So, but I said that my family is the most important persons in my life. Thank you.
Candidate number 15, Janina San Miguel. Thank you so much. Let's